Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to be trying out this product from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Foundation. Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. It says here on the box itself, a beauty claim. Let's see what it says. It says skin looks more radiant by up to 285%. 285%. Wow. And then there's an asterisk right next to it that reads, what does it say? Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm seeing an asterisk, but two pluses. The two pluses read long lasting and pollution defense. Okay. 285% is a really big claim. Why is that so high? Clinically proven results boost hydration by up to 166%. Skin looks plumper and smoother by up to 181%. Again, these numbers have asterisks right next to them. Skin tone looks more even by up to 210%. Like, how do you get these numbers? I don't understand. Are people that dry? Are we all not drinking enough water? I'm trying to understand what's going on here. It says over 90% of users agree. And even the 90% has an asterisk next to it. I don't know if we could see that on camera. But yeah. Okay. And then, of course, the little more, it says, minimize the appearance of pores, reduces the appearance of pigmentation, dark spots, skin appears instantly brighter. So it reads here, right on the package, right here, it's a lot of words here. Blend outward from the center of your face. Okay, I can do that. For natural looking coverage from the center. I'm curious. I don't know. It's making a lot of promises. What do you think? I know Charlotte Tilbury does enjoy a reputation for being a very pricey brand. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. This bottle's not really that big, but I guess if it's at least an ounce, I guess it's considered the standard. Yeah, this is an ounce or 30 ml. This is my first time looking at this and unboxing this, so please bear with me. So the skin tone looks maybe a little bit yellow, but we're gonna work with it. This is in the shade 2, which is neutral. Okay. So, out of habit, I will shake this up just because. And let's see how this goes. Does this have I wonder if this has an applicator. No, it does not. It has a pump. That's nice. I don't smell anything yet. So, I'll apply here out of force of habit because I don't know how much it's gonna squirt. There we go. That's 1, that's 2. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much because I think this is supposed to read as a full coverage. I don't think I smell anything yet, but I'm gonna put this here for now, put this on my side. And I'm gonna get out my brush, my trusty, dusty e.l.f. brush. This is the dual complexion brush. We're gonna see if it runs a bit. It looks like it's a little liquidy, you see that? Yeah, it's a little liquidy. So I'm just gonna, she says from here to out. So I guess here, 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 maybe. For starters, doesn't have a perfume scent to it. It does smell slightly chemical. So let's see. So they say she says to start from the center and brush out. Okay. start center. And then, okay, so it does provide, I think, very good coverage. What do I think? It works on my skin tone. I thought it would be a bit too yellow. It does appear a bit yellow for me on camera, but this is supposed to be neutral. I'm just looking to make sure it applies. Now, the numbers on that packaging, the claims, are amazing, but I'm gonna get my initial impressions. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day. The coverage is okay. I'm not gonna deny about the coverage. The coverage looks pretty good. Okay, the coverage here is pretty good, I have to say. It's very creamy. I want to say that it feels very moisturizing. It may feel a little heavy for some people, so you may want to take that into consideration. Right now it's feeling a little heavy on my skin. I'm hoping that when it dries down, if it does, because it makes a lot of claims to the skin and moisturizing it and stuff, so I'm just worried that it doesn't completely dry down and may move around on my face, so I'm not really sure. But as far as using it as like a concealer, you could definitely use it as a concealer. I mean, the only thing that you miss out is that when you powder everything down, that it might get cakey. I don't know. I'm gonna try and see what happens when I put powder on it. But I really don't want to lose that shine, you know? Just to see. I will say that this is very interesting. It has definitely a lot of, I want to say it's almost emollients. It seems very skincare oriented type of liquid. I will say that less is definitely more with this particular product, because I noticed the more I put on, then I start noticing it's starting to look really strange. So I decided to go in with a powder. It looks okay on screen, but when you're meeting someone face to face, that's what I'm worried about. You know, like, is there caking? I'm also gonna put some on my lids because my lids tend to get oily anyway, so I don't want the makeup on my lids to start bunching up and separating. So I will say this is not bad. This isn't. Less is definitely more. And if you're going to set it, use the powder sparingly. And yeah, you should be fine. I'm gonna add some more color here, just cause. So what do you think? I mean, if I didn't have this lipstick on, I would look very, very pale right now, but the coverage is amazing on this, and it takes care of basically any kind of shadow, especially here, because I have shadow here and it's gone. So I would definitely try to use this as a concealer and just keep it light as far as how much I'm going to apply between here and here, and that's it. And the rest of the face, you know, you don't even need it on the rest of your face unless, you know, you need that coverage. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I would definitely use this for like a special night out, you know. And again, for me personally, I wouldn't leave it alone, although I loved the shine. I think if I was doing the bare minimum like I was in the beginning, I could probably get away with it. But once you start adding more, it does desire a bit of toning down with the powder, just to set it a bit as well so it doesn't move around as much. But my skin looks pretty natural. It does. I'm excited about it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you have tried out Charlotte's Beautiful Skin foundation. Let me know again in the comments below. This is my first time, I think, using this, because I know I had a prior encounter with, I think, one other foundation of hers, and I thought it was pretty good. The coverage is amazing. So again, let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.